Hello and welcome to TheGhostOfSabotage once again. Oh yes, and today, as the title says, I'm going to make spicy carrot and potato soup. But there's a few things I don't have, and that's it says here some oil, chopped onion, large carrots peeled and roughly chopped into chunks. I don't have the celery. I do have the carrots. I do have, it says, 2 large baking-sized these potatoes, but I don't really have that kind of potatoes, so I've got these small ones. It says ground cumin. I don't have the coriander. I have hot chili powder. Of course, oil. It says 2 stock cubes, so this stuff. And I only have salt. I don't have any peppers, so that's any black pepper even. Let's heat oil up in a saucepan or casserole pan. Fry chopped raw vegetable gently on. So I'm gonna have to do this stuff. And that is it. That's the 20 minutes up. There's definitely more soup in there than I can eat in one evening, and I will deal with that box later. So I'm going to eat some of this tonight and keep the rest for the next few days, because soup. Okay, in we go. Yeah, nothing like some soup. Be a lot better in the winter, mind you. No, do. Outdoor junkie. That's enough for me. And probably just one or two more in there. For next few days. So yay. I'll put that on there for now. Keep it. I'll put into some stuff in there. Yeah. I did put some salt in it. But yeah, pretty good. It's pretty good. Yeah, it's actually rather good, really. I bet it'd be a bit better with the celery and the coriander. So yeah, it's definitely worth trying. I'll definitely leave a link in the description for anyone who wants to try it on themselves. It is on BBC. Yes, BBCGoodFood.com. Yeah. Yeah, BBCGoodFood.com. Yeah, I'll definitely try some more food on there. I do have a bunch of cookbooks, you know, over there. I'll definitely try have a look at through and see if I any more food related stuff to cook. So yeah. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, should try this. Tally ho.